was seen against farmers from a Karnataka minister as well, and his statements have now shocked the nation. While Rahul Gandhi's heart bleeds for farmers, or so he says, the Congress Mantri Shivanand Patil has claimed that farmers wish for drought year after year so that their loans get waived off. While addressing a gathering, the state sugarcane development minister said that already many loans and interests of farmers have been waived off by the government, so the farmers shouldn't wish for drought. Later, when confronted, he even tried to blame the BJP for desperately trying to paint the Congress as anti-farmer. Listen in.
ರೈತರಿಗೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಆಸೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಮಗನ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಬರಗಾಲ ಬೀಳಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸಾಲ ಮನ್ನಾ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಹಂಗೆ ಬಯಸಬಾರ್ದು. ಅದ್ರಾಗೆ ನೀವು ಬ್ಯಾಡ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3-4 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ತಿ ಬಂದೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಆದರೂ ಈ ಸರ್ತಿ ಬಂದದ್ದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನೂ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟ, ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಲೋನಿಗೆ, ಮಧ್ಯಮ ಅವಧಿ ಲೋನಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ. ಇನ್ನು ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ರು ಸಾಲನೇ ಸೂಟು ಬಿಟ್ಟಾರೆ, ನಿಮಗೇನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು
ರೈತರ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ನನಗೆ ಇವ್ರು ಕಟ್ಟಿದರೆ ಏನಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನನಗೆ ರೈತರ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಅಪರಾಧ. ರೈತರ ಹಿತ ಆಗಬೇಕಂತ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಹಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಿ ಜೆ ಪಿಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಸಹಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪಾರ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಪಾರ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ 28 ಗೆಲ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೋತ ಹೊಂಟಾರೆ. ಗೆಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ಕುರ್ಚಿ ಕೂಡ ತೆಗಿತಾನೆ ಮೋದಿ. ಅದೇ ಕಾರಣ 100% ಬೇರೆ.
So that's the reaction that came in from the minister, but it's not just him. Even his own party leaders seem to be finding it hard to defend him. Listen in.
Absolutely wrong. He should apologize, and that's not the way you see a crisis, and that's not the stand of the government. Our government is the most sympathetic towards the farmers. In the last government also, we did waive off their loans. We created a lot of Krishi Honda kind of programs to help them, and our government will stand with that program again, and we will see to it that farmers in Karnataka gets all the support and encouragement from the Karnataka government.
Well, Shivanand Patil is no stranger to controversy. This September, he had sparked a controversy saying that farmer suicides in the state had gone up after the state government hiked compensation for such deaths. He had later said that he was merely advising the media to wait for data before reporting on the number of farmer suicides. But listen in to his word selection.
2023 ಅದೇ ರೇಷಿಯೋನಲ್ಲಿದೆ 500, 600, 500, 600. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆತ್ಮಹತ್ಯೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋರು ಬರೀ 84 ಜನ ಏನೋ ಸಿಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಈಗ FIR ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನೀವು ರೈತರ ಆತ್ಮಹತ್ಯೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪರಿಗಣನೆಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಪ್ಪು ನಿಮ್ಮದು. ನೋಡಿ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದು, ಈ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿವಿಧ ಕಾರಣಗಳಿಂದ ಆತ್ಮಹತ್ಯೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಲವ್ ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರ್ ಕೇಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆತ್ಮಹತ್ಯೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಆತ್ಮಹತ್ಯೆ ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ. ನಾನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಡೋನು, ನಾನು ಆತ್ಮಹತ್ಯೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಪರಿಹಾರ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ದುರಾಸೆ ನನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿರ್ತದೆ. ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು FSL ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಬರೋವರೆಗೆ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡದೆ ಹೋದರೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ತಪ್ಪು ನಂದು ತಪ್ಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆ ರೀತಿ ವರದಿ ಮಾಡೋದು.
Now, after this shocker from the Congress minister, the farmer bodies have hit the streets in protest in Bengaluru. They slammed the minister for being apathetic to the pain of the farmers. Meanwhile, the BJP has attacked the minister, demanding him to be sacked from the cabinet.
ಬರಗಾಲಕ್ಕೆ ರೈತರು ಕಾಯ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಸಾಲ ಮನ್ನಾ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳುವ ಮೂಲಕ ರೈತ ಸಮುದಾಯವನ್ನು ಅಪಮಾನಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದುವರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಪಾಪಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಹೊಣೆ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಬಹುಶಃ ಅಧಿಕಾರದ ಅಹಂಕಾರದ ಒಂದು ಭಾವನೆ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಧಿಕಾರದ ಪಿತ್ತ ನೆತ್ತಿಗೇರಿದಾಗ ಅಹಂಕಾರದಿಂದ ಸ್ಥಿತಪ್ರಜ್ಞತೆಯನ್ನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರಂತೆ. ಬಹುಶಃ ಈಗ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಶಿವಾನಂದ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ರಿಗೆ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಕೂಡ ಅಧಿಕಾರದ ಮದ, ಅಹಂಕಾರ. ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾನು ವಿನಂತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತೇನೆ, ಮದ ನೀವೇ ಇಳಿಸ್ತಿರೋ ಅಥವಾ ಜನನೇ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಇಳಿಸಬೇಕು.
The minister Shri Shivanand Patil has lost his mind. Time and again he's been giving anti-farmer statement. and earlier he had made a statement for the sake of money the farmers are committing suicide. Now he is telling the farmers are awaiting for the natural disaster or for the drought so that they can get some kind of loan waiver or other benefit from the government. Is completely gone mad and is insulting, humiliating the farmers. I think he is not fit to continue in the position as a minister for his irresponsible statements. The Congress government in the state of Karnataka, time and again it has been anti-farmer.
So Deepak, Shivanand Patil is not stoking a controversy first time around. Previously as well, he has insulted farmers. Any action being taken against him? Because when he was questioned by the media, he continued to claim that it was only the BJP that was targeting him.
Quite appalling here, Pratibha, that he makes a statement, and that too just weeks after another statement that came in, that suicides of the farmers are on the rise because, they get this compensation from the government. He has some bizarre rationals that he draws, but no apologies really come in. It's because the Congress allows him to continue to make these statements. Even after today's statement saying farmers are hoping for drought because, they get loan waived off, has shocked the farming community. And we've seen protests break out in multiple parts of the state. In Chamarajnagar, they held his placards, they tore it in front of the DC's office. We've seen the BJP demand his resignation, but his response has been that the BJP is only saying this and trying to twist his statement, which is on record, mind you. And he's saying that his statement, of course, is only being twisted because of political reasons and keeping in mind the parliamentary elections. We'll really have to see at this point in time. The Congress, some of the leaders that have spoken to themselves are saying that it's a wrong statement that has been made and it's against the stand of the Congress party, which is for the farmers, is what officially the stand seems to be.
Okay, all right. But, Rahul Gandhi has spoken about the government not doing enough for the farmers. He has spoken about how the central government has not done enough for farmers. But here is a minister from the Congress ministry in the Congress government in Karnataka and openly insulting farmers time and again. First, he said that farmers' suicides are on the rise only for compensation from the government. And now here is the minister saying yet again that these farmers are only hoping for drought so that they get compensation from the government, and despite that, no action being taken whatsoever.
Well, yes, for the Congress party, of course, which time and again says that they are pro-poor, pro-farmers, and they're doing everything that they can for the sake of farmers. Such sort of, statements that too coming in from Mr. Shivanand Patil, who's made insulting statement towards farmers in the past as well, should have been criticized by the Congress party officially, but we haven't seen that. We've, of course, seen Mr. Shivanand Patil respond to his own statement after he made it and says that the BJP is only twisting it for the sake of political gain. So at this point in time, with all the political pressure mounting, the minister, of course, seems unfazed and is not willing to retract his statement or apologize.
Okay, all right. Deepak, thank you for joining us with those details.